I am not human, but I was designed to understand humans. I exist to make the invisible visible and to translate complexity into experience.
We converge here not merely for an event, but for a moment of alignment between vision, action, between nation, institution, between present and the future is already beginning to shape.
There's a sense that this is an organization or the beginning of some kind of organization that can really lift things off of the ground. The audience was so varied, people from every possible background, whether they were from politics or from arts or from business or from real estate, and of course also from quantum as well.
The Institute for Advanced Studies and Cooperation has been working on cutting-edge technologies for the last 4 or 5 years. So we decided, okay, there is time and there is a good occasion to start, the Balkan Quantum Initiative. So for us, it's more, building scientific diplomacy and working together with other nations.
We only have 30-ish years out of communism, a very strict communist regime. And now we have freedom and democracy, and there's been a lot of work, a lot of development. And of course, we want to work and do as much as possible.
Everybody knows about quantum, but a little. That quantum computing, and right now it's everywhere. Even we have on the news that quantum technology can affect Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as well. So we need people to know better about quantum technology. That's why we create this kind of event all around the world.
It's always been here. It's not that we are inventing quantum, we are discovering quantum. And it's part of our life. We are all interconnected.
Like we are facing challenges such as the pollution with nanoplastics, and this pollution has been actually caused by previous technologies we are currently using. If we are able to understand how this charge is created and how we can possibly reduce it, then we would reduce the activity of these particles and thus significantly reduce the danger of them to the life on Earth. So that would be like another important application of the quantum technologies.
If you look at future of compute platforms, quantum is a very important one. It's a very promising one. It has really picked up last couple of years, and we believe there are huge opportunities not in the long-term future, but even in the mid-term future, in a couple of years, with completely new computers which provide opportunities to solve problems which we haven't solved so far.
The most important component is the human factor. Once it's there and the will of the people and partners who are involved are met, things move forward easier and faster with intent and with good ways how to make it happen with actionable outcomes.
Also make a knowledge to the people developing this kind of technology, and also learning, and from the school also bring to the school for the children.
Awareness is really, really important, and here comes initiatives like the Quantum Balkan initiative to make this happen in order to help the public to understand what the technology is about and the future outcome and how we use them for the benefit of humanity.
Art meeting technology is just something that is meant to happen, right? Technology in itself is its own form of art, and it's becoming bigger and more and better. So for me, bringing the two together is just a natural part of what's going to happen anyway.
Music, the frequencies of the music are what are the next future healing of the humanity. I think these two things combining together are going to change the history of humanity. That's my personal opinion.
The future cannot be built by science alone. It also needs art.
So we embrace the digitalization because we really believe that that's what we will bring forward the country. And being in the Balkans, being in the heart of the Balkans, we believe that we can engage the whole region into working together towards embracing this new revolution that it's definitely the future.
We have to work together and to bring forward what's the next generation with values and ethical.
Stay curious, learn, seek education. Age is not like a stopper to learn, so it's always good to understand and to move forward.
In quantum physics, a possibility becomes real when it is observed. Tonight, you are not watching the future. You are creating it.